The science majors, 100%. Salamat kayo, no? Ni Sir Ellie, no? Ni Sir El, and of course, sa tanan natong Gen Ed and Proof Ed lecture. Sunod, ato pakpakan ng mga math majors, 97.04%. Next, MAPE. No? So actually, last September 2023, no? Last place ang MAPE. Kaya mo nakaroon na siya kayo because nag-top 3, no? Ang MAPE with a rating of 96.55%. Social studies, let's clap our hands. 96.20%. English majors, we have 94.12%. For the elementary, okay, so sa section din sila. So out of 107, no? 100 ang nakapasar, no? Only 7 ang wala ang nakapasar. So thank you so much elementary. 93 major or the technology. Okay, ang ato ang total rating. SLRC Dipolo at PIS passing rate is 492 passers. Out of 513 total takers. So that is 95.51% versus the national passing rate of 51.20%. So thank you so much everyone.